Hey guys, it's Barkat here. Welcome to this video, and in this video I'll cover how to add Google Ads schedule. So if you don't know what is ad schedule is, so you can run your Google ad in a certain day portions, or maybe you can skip the weekend running Google Ads. So there are a couple of things you can do under the Google ad schedule. So let me share my screen and I'll explain everything about the ad schedule. So once you landed on your Google ad account or dashboard, so you can see I am running a couple of campaigns. So it could be different for you, because if you're running only one campaign and you will see just one campaign from here. So to add a schedule, just click on the campaign, which campaign you want to add Google ad schedule or something, and you can find add schedule here, and under add schedule options see the pencil icon and click on the pencil icon, and you can see we are just running this Google ad Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. because this is the client's requirement. So if you want to add more schedule, just click on the add button, and yeah, you can see like you can specifically add one day, or for the whole weekend, or Saturday or Sunday you can exclude. So for this client we are not running Saturday and Sunday Google ads, and we are just running Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this is the thing, like this is how you can add schedule in your Google ad dashboard or Google ad campaign. It's pretty straightforward. So if that business time is 9 to 5, I would probably say just run Google ad from 8, because this is not something you just enable this campaign or you just run the 8 a.m. so you can expect a call at 8 a.m. or something. Like it will take like 30 to 40 minutes to wrap up this campaign. So that's why I would probably suggest you just run before the business hours, like 1 hour. Let's say 9 to 5, just start this campaign 8 to 5 or something, or maybe 8 to 6. It depends on the business criteria or business types. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you have any types of question regarding the Google ads related things, feel free to ask me, or you can comment below. I will try my best to answer all of your questions and queries. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, just press the like button and subscribe this channel to get this types of info in near future. I will cover everything about the Google ads, because I have lots of experience in this Google ad industry, and I am running Google ads for last 4 years. So again, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Have a great day. Bye bye.